Welcome to Pi News World, where we uncover the stories behind Pi Network and the future of digital payments. BRICS. Pay is getting bigger, and every Pi pioneer needs to understand why. BRICS countries are exploring new ways to make international payments faster, easier, and less dependent on traditional financial systems. This is creating growing attention around BRICS Pay and its potential role in future cross-border payments. But here's the important part. There's currently no confirmed official announcement that Pi Network has joined BRICS Pay. So why are people connecting BRICS Pay with Pi? Because both are part of a bigger conversation about the future of digital payments. Pi Network is focused on real-world utility, allowing users and businesses to exchange value digitally. BRICS, meanwhile, is exploring stronger payment infrastructure for transactions between participating countries. If this global shift continues, payment-focused blockchain networks could potentially find new opportunities. But pioneers should stay careful. A viral post or social media claim is not proof of an official partnership. We need confirmation from trusted and official sources before saying Pi is connected to BRICS Pay. The real question is not, has BRICS already adopted Pi? The bigger question is, could Pi benefit from the global move toward faster, cheaper, and more digital payments? That will depend on Pi's real-world adoption, merchant acceptance, useful applications, scalability, regulations, and actual transaction activity. And this is where things become interesting. As countries explore new payment systems, the demand for efficient digital transactions could continue growing. If Pi successfully expands its ecosystem and proves its usefulness, that changing environment could create new possibilities. So keep watching the developments, but don't confuse speculation with confirmation. BRICS. Pay is evolving, Pi Network is building, and the global payment landscape is changing. What happens next could be very important for the future of digital payments. This is Pi News World, bringing you the bigger picture behind the headlines. Subscribe and stay informed because the next major development could change the conversation.